down south to the land of the pines, thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring up the road and praying to God to see headlights. Made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking up a bouquet of dogwood flowers. I'm hoping for rally, see my baby tonight. Yeah, so rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me mama any way you feel. Hey, mama rock me, yeah, rock me mama like the wind and the rain, rock me mama like the southbound train. Hey, mama rock me, let's see what it gets. So rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me mama any way you feel. Hey, mama rock me last time. So rock me mama like the wind and the rain, rock me mama like a southbound train. Hey, mama rock me guitar. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Silverfinger's back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson for the new year. And it's a song called Wagon Wheel. This is a version by Darius Rucker. Obviously, I think if I've got my information correct, the song was actually first written, or the actual tune anyway, it was written by Bob Dylan. And he never did much with it apparently, and it was taken on by a gentleman called Ketch Secor of the Old Crow Medicine Show band, okay, who finished the song off, added words, etc. And then Darius Rucker did a version of it later, which is the one I'm doing a version of, okay. So let's get to it. So I'm in standard tuning, with the capo on the 2nd fret as per Darius Rucker, and the song's in the key of A, but because we're using a capo on the 2nd fret, we're playing the song in chords of G, D, E minor and C. Those are the only chords in the song, okay, straightforward G, that way or that way, whichever G you like, okay, D, E minor and a C chord, standard C chord, okay. Right, so the song starts off, is just a standard run through on the chords as I've just shown you, G, D, E minor, C. And the way my rhythm on this is down, 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 up, okay, so on each chord. So it's down, 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 up, okay. Now, the intro is just that. That's the first half of the intro. Then the second guitar comes in, the lead guitar comes in with a little riff underneath, which you could leave out, you could just play the chords again, but I try and incorporate that into the rhythm, and I'm playing this. Okay, so what I'm doing there is 2 downstrokes on the G chord, and then I'm doing a little 5th string open, hammer up to the 2nd fret, okay, and then you play the D string open after that. So you got, okay, then you play the D bit down, 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 up, down, up. Then you play 2 hits on the E minor,
downstrokes, and then you do that riff again. Open A string, Hammond to the 2nd fret, open D string. Okay, so now so far we've got this. Okay, then what we do is play the C chord. Try and hit that root note, the 3rd on the 5th. So it's that bum, 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 down, 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 up again. Okay, so it's second half of it is the same thing to start with, the G downstroke twice and then the riff, then the D, and then we just go to the C chord to 2 lots of down, 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 up, and that's the whole intro. Okay, so the first time is just the chords. Next time is with the riff. C in the shortened version. Two lots of C on the end there, okay? And then we're into the verse. And the verse is basically the same chords again. So it's G to D to E minor to C, and then the second time is G to D to C. Okay, so it's heading down south to the land of the bright E minor, coming my way in C, North Carolina. G, staring up the road to D, pray to God. I see C, headlights, 2 lots of C. Okay? So it's G, heading down south to the deep land of the bright E minor, finding my way in C, North Carolina. G, staring up the road, and D, pray to God. I see C chord headlights. And you just repeat the whole thing again. Made it down the coast in D, 17 hours, E minor, picking me a bouquet of C, dogwood flowers. G, hoping for rally, I can D, see my baby C chord. Then we're going into the chorus, and the chorus is the same as the intro with the riffs. Okay, so rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me mama anything you feel. Hey mama rock me. 2 lots of C on the end. Okay, got that? So it's rock me mama like a wagon wheel, rock me mama anything you feel. Hey mama rock me. And you just repeat again. Yeah, rock me mama like the wind and the rain, rock me mama like a southbound train. Hey mama rock me. And then we just play the intro again, instrumental. Off into another verse, okay? Running from the cold up in New England, and so on. And then you just about another 2 verses and another 2 choruses, and it's exactly the same with different words for the verses, okay? And then at the end, obviously, he repeats the chorus a couple of times, and then fades out. But you just finish it whenever you like. Okay, so I hope you found that interesting. A nice easy one for the new year. Right, boys and girls, I forgot to mention my rhythm unit I was playing with then, just in case you're interested. Anybody wants to know what I was doing. I'm using a Beat Buddy Mini 2. Okay, in this particular song I'm using the genre country, and the number of the patch or song is 7, so country 7, and I'm actually using a speed of 146 beats per minute. I think the actual song by Darius Rucker is actually in 148, but I preferred it to 146 myself. Okay, so just to let you know. So there we have it, boys and girls. Hope that was some help for those people that are interested in rhythm units. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now.